Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you view your transaction history into Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check or view transaction history, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, just simply go over this wallets option at very first, and after going into wallets, just simply select any of these spot funding account earn or any other options. I'm selecting spot for now, and then you will get to see this little icon into the top right corner. Tap into there, and after tapping in there, you can see account history into here, or transaction history. This way you can easily view transaction history into crypto or cash. You can also filter it by tapping into this option. Now just simply do that, and you can easily check your transaction history in your Binance application. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.